now here they are, many months after. You can tell that I have not bought this in the store. They have pellets where they grew on. They're doing great. Amazing. Here in Florida, I'm getting the morning sun. This is a wall. The sun comes out over there in the morning, and then it finishes off on the other side of the house. So they're basically only getting that morning sun, and they're doing great. I have not watered them. I can't believe they're actually surviving so much. For how long, I don't know. I'll keep an eye on them. Apart from these beautiful plants, we also have another update to show, and it's about the air pruning video, which you see here. If you haven't seen it, please click on it and come back to the channel. There are incredible results. And on the air pruning, I will be updating that this is oregano. As you can see, there's much more yield. I just cut up even more. It's a very small space I'm planting thanks to air pruning. There's a screen, you can see that. That's completely air pruned. Gives more yield, smaller space. Yes, that's that.